Frizz is the enemy, especially on rainy days. Here's how I keep my hair from puffing up and actually make it last. So the first thing that I like to do always is use some type of oil. I love this Moroccan oil just to help tame the frizz, and then I just add it to my hair. Praying hands method. Another thing I want to add is that I did these overnight curls about 2 days ago, so they're still holding up pretty well. I'm going to be showing you 3 rain-proof hairstyles. For these, you can totally slick your hair back, or you can have a bang out. I am going to mix it up and do both. So since it's been a couple of days that I've done anything to my bangs, I'm going to go ahead and quickly style those. Let me grab my heat protectant. This piece also, sprayed my eyeball. And then I'm going to quickly curl this also. Same thing on the other side. All right. Now that my bangs are styled, I'm going to go in with half a pump of Moroccan, a little bit more. Just to help this whole situation. You really work your way into the ends. This just helps polish it up and makes it look like it's a fresh curl. So you can see that my hair is kind of crazy right here just because I have had ponytails and updos the last couple of days with the rain. So I'm not gonna worry about this creasing. This is kind of what's important for the first one. All right, so for the first one, you are going to need 2 hair ties. Section your hair wherever you want, middle, side. Grab my brush. Make sure you don't forget any hair back here. Then secure it with your hair tie. I'm going to go around 3 times. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. If you have a pour brush, it really does help bring in and slick in your hair. So I do recommend getting one, especially for the slicked back hairstyles. Once you have your 2 pigtails, grab a third, bring them together like this, wrap it around, and then what you are going to do is you are going to flip that hair through. And then you are left with the cutest little ponytail. Of course, the bangs are optional. Let me show you what it looks like slicked back. And this is what it looks like slicked back. What do you think? Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. This next one is another effortless pony. You are going to need 2 hair ties for this one. Start off by sectioning 1/4 of your hair. Go ahead and pin the rest up and out of the way. Go around about 5 times and then create a small little loop like this. Then grab your hair tie and the rest of your hair and bring it just slightly above this little loop. Wrap your hair around about 3 times. Grab your ponytail, slightly move it out of the way. Grab your little loop, pull your ponytail through, clip it out of the way, and then gently tighten. Flip your hair back, and you are left with this elevated ponytail. And you can just gently fluff this hair out. And just to give my ponytail a little bit more texture and volume, I'm going to be using a texturizing spray. And today I'm going to be using the Tresemme Dry Texture Spray. And then I'm just going to grab a wide toothed comb and gently start teasing it. Just a very slight tease, nothing crazy. And that's it. This last one is going to be an elevated braid. You are going to need a couple of hair ties, and then first things first is you are going to section off your hair in 3. So I'm going to leave some bangs. I'm going to wrap it 3 times. You are going to grab one of the sections and cross it over. Grab the other section, do the same thing. And at this point, you can check the front and make sure that it is sleeked or pulled back to your liking. So this section doesn't have as much hair as these 2 sections, so I'm just going to take a little bit from that middle section. And then I am going to braid. I'm going to stop about right here. Secure it, and then I'm going to gently start fluffing out my braid. And I'm going to fluff mine out a little bit more. It's going to come out sides really quickly. Fluff them out just a little bit. And you are left with this really beautiful, chic, elevated braid. That's it.
Rainy days don't have to mean frizz. Here are my go-tos that actually hold up. Which one would you try first? Comment below and subscribe for more easy hairstyles.